2 consecutive step TB skin tests. On your first doctor's appointment, the nurse will do a step 1 TB skin test on your left arm. You need to call back for a follow-up appointment with your doctor within 2 to 3 days to get it read. On your third doctor's appointment is another step 2 skin test within 7 to 21 days, and it will be done on your right arm, and you call again for a fourth appointment with your doctor to get it read within 2 to 3 days. When you do your 2-step TB skin test and you notice a big spot on both of your arms and the measurement is over 10 millimeters, that means you had the reaction to the skin test, and your doctor will do a chest x-ray. That chest x-ray report has to be attached on your forms. If this is your first time to do 2-step TB, please make sure that your doctor document all the skin test dates, all the reading dates, and the exact measurement of your TB skin test. And they need to finalize your form with their signature, date, and medical office stamp. If you have done previous 2-step in the past, we need your doctor to document your previous 2-step, and if the result is both negative, then you only have to renew a step 1 TB skin test. And they have to finalize again your form with their signature, date, and stamp. If you had previous 2-step done in the past and the result was positive, please make sure that your doctor document your positive skin test and no more skin tests required. Please make sure that they answer letters A to F on the form and do a physical assessment of your lungs and give you a copy of your chest x-ray report, and it needs to be valid within 2 years.